Hi everybody, Karen and I wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And we wanted to say we're so grateful to have you all be part of our TOT tribe over the whole last 2 years, or if you're newer than that, since you've been in.
And so we're looking forward to more of the same next year. More goals, more accountability, more achievements, achieving your goals and dreams, whatever it is that you want to achieve. And we've got our first face-to-face on the 1st of February.
First Tuesday.
First Tuesday in February, which is the 1st of February. So keep an eye on the group, and we'll be putting it in there as an event so that you can definitely mark whether you're coming or not. And so stay safe, stay healthy. Hope you all have a wonderful Christmas.
Yeah, have a beautiful break. So we won't be doing TOT for a couple of months or 6 weeks or whatever it is. So have a beautiful break and enjoy your holidays. And we'll look forward to meeting up again in the beginning of February. And if you know anyone else, of course, please do invite. We're growing TOT slowly all the time. We love new members. So
just get them to message us, and we will give them a link to go on to on the group page.
Yeah, our date. So the first workshop is most likely going to be in February as well.
Yep.
And then we'll do them bi-monthly, won't we?
Yep. There'll be a whole agenda up there on the group. So look forward to seeing you then. Have a wonderful Christmas New Year.